In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to clean up your inbox in Yahoo Mail. If your inbox has gotten out of hand, don't worry. This quick walkthrough will help you clear it fast while keeping anything important safe. Start by opening your web browser and going to yahoo.com. If you're not already signed in, look for the sign in button in the upper right corner, click it and enter your account credentials. If you're prompted to verify your identity, complete that step and continue. Remember, never share your password with anyone and make sure you're on the official Yahoo website before signing in. Once you're signed in, click the mail icon at the top right. It looks like a small envelope that opens Yahoo Mail. On the left-hand side, click Inbox to view your incoming messages. You'll see your message list in the center, along with a toolbar across the top. To select messages in bulk, find the small checkbox at the very top left of the message list, right above your first email. Click that checkbox to select all emails currently shown on the page. If you have a large inbox, Yahoo may display an option to select all conversations in inbox. If you see that, use it to grab everything at once. Before you delete, take a quick moment to scan for anything you want to keep. You can deselect individual messages by unchecking their boxes, or open anything that looks important and come back. This quick review helps you avoid removing something you still need. With your unwanted emails selected, click Delete in the toolbar at the top. This button may appear as a trash can icon. Yahoo will move those messages to your trash folder so they're not gone forever right away. If you change your mind immediately, look for an undo prompt that typically appears briefly near the bottom of the screen and click it to restore the messages. If your inbox spans multiple pages, you may need to repeat the selection and deletion on additional pages until everything you no longer want is cleared. And that's it. You've cleaned up your Yahoo Mail inbox by signing in, opening mail, heading to your inbox, selecting everything you don't need, and deleting it in one go. For a smoother experience next time, consider doing quick cleanups regularly so emails don't pile up. Thanks for watching and enjoy your tidier inbox.